Hey guys, and welcome to the 7th tutorial on this video tutorial series. And today we're going to be covering walking in RSBot. And first things first, let me tell you that I've modified the walk and walk R methods and deleted the arguments from them. This is to simplify our job as a scripter, and well, basically so that you understand it easier. And I've also got the tiles from the mine to the bank, and these are them. And I've also got the RS tile path, which is path to bank. So now what we want to do is create our walk method. And this is easily done by doing private void walk. And this walk method is going to walk our path to bank. So that traverse method is inside path to bank, and it will allow us to walk the path from beginning to end, or from our current location to the end. And by the way, remember to initialize your path to bank variable by giving it a value this way. Here we create a new tile path that uses these tiles, and this method is inside the walking class. So inside the walking class we've got a method called new tile path, which takes in the tiles our path consists of, and we assign that value to path to bank. And our walk method basically traverses the path to the bank by walking it. And that's everything I'm going to get to in this lesson, so we don't complicate it too much. And now let's get to walk R. Again, we create the method, and we're going to do something a bit more complicated. The first thing we're going to do, path to bank reverse, and now our path to bank is the other way around, so we're gonna walk to the mine now. We have to remember to turn it back to path to bank once we finish walking it. So we do path to bank traverse, and we are gonna walk the next to the next tile in this path, and then we're going to reverse it back again. This is necessary because we are only using one path. We could, of course, use a new path and call one path path to mine and the other one path to bank, and we wouldn't have to do this. However, what we do in walk R is we first of all reverse the path, so it's now pointing to the mine, and we walk the next tile, and then we reverse it again. And this way, when we finish walking the walk R path, our path is going to be pointing to the bank, and we're going to be able to walk it when our inventory gets full. So that's some housekeeping, which is pretty much very insightful into the logic of programming, and the things you have to think about when you're programming. And make sure you understand why I'm doing this, because it's very important, and that's part of the logic of programming, part of the beauty of programming. The fact that you have to reverse it, then it's pointing the mine. You walk one tile and you reverse it back again, so that when you need it as path to bank, you'll have it as path to bank. Okay, so that's walk and walk R. Now the only thing that's left is mine ores. Mine ores, not mine wars. My English is not that good. Yeah, mine ores, so mine rocks. And when we have that, the script is going to pretty much be finished. We're going to be able to mine nothing. We don't have an ID for ores. We're going to be able to mine ores in Barak West. I think it's Barak West. Yes, the left part of Barak. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And remember to subscribe and comment below if you've got any questions or appraisals. Those are always welcome. And remember to send me your script once you've got it finished so I can check it out. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial where we'll discuss mining.